Hello there. My name is Anthony, and this is the fourth part of and final part of my four-part series. Uh, the first three parts were uh, how to use the internet safely. Number two was PCs, computers, and networking and in the cloud. Number three was WWW or World Wide Web, and today we're going to talk about, as promised, ChatGPT slash AI. So, what is ChatGPT AI? So basically, ChatGPT AI is a very new technology, a software technology that is created by OpenAI, artificial intelligence, and its co-founder is no other than Elon Musk. So GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer or Transformation. So it's a software technology that may kill Google. You all have used Google, and you know what that does. But this is one up on Google because it basically is a large language model. A large language model, and it is very conversational, capable of working like a human, and and is very conversational in that you feel that you are texting somebody, right? So what can this GPT or ChatGPT do for you? Basically, it can do a number of things. It's you can go to your browser and type in ChatGPT slash AI, and you can type in a query. A query could be a word, a sentence, a phrase, and anything else. And you would get a lovely, lovely response, a lengthy response, a detailed response, right? So with ChatGPT, you can play a teacher, you can write an essay, you can write an email, and you can teach coding. Many people in the IT sector, or people who write code or software, called software engineers, are afraid that their jobs are in danger. But that's besides. The benefits of GPT, ChatGPT, is that students can plagiarize, and because it is so comprehensive, so dramatically sound, without typos, right? They can basically use it for speech recognition, machine translation, optical character recognition, and it generates a text more human-like, and using grammar induction, information retrieval, and other applications. Even documents are ranked on the probability of the query. In the documents language model. So students can do even their homework there. And some even say exams are plagiarized. GPT is known to have passed a law exam and taken a number of degree university exams and got a B. So it is built upon OpenAI's GPT family of large language models, as I mentioned earlier. So today, this chat GPT is also called a bot. short form for robot, and can do a wonderful number of things that people are wondering that it can ever be wished away. Unfortunately, not. GPT is also being used in business. If you go to your browser and type, how can I make money? GPT will show you some ways how to buy stocks. Now, a word of caution here. This advice from GPT on stocks purchases should not be, or is not to be taken seriously, because it's only an advice they are giving you, and the responsibility or consequence of it can be serious. So you can, GPT will tell you which stocks are going up and which stocks are going down. Stocks like Nike, Microsoft, Moderna, Apple, and such. So when you're thinking about stocks, you want to be very, very careful and use it at your own discretion. So GPT is the new technology that is sponsored by, as mentioned earlier, artificial intelligence, and can do a whole bunch of things, right? As we know, it can run robots that can help you do household chores, right? Like wash the dishes, vacuum the house, and things of that nature. So ChatGPT is a technology that has been on the market very, very recently. In fact, it was founded in November 22nd of 2022. So there you have it. ChatGPT, again, I would elaborate or expand what GPT stands for. It stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. So it's really, really mind-boggling that this can do a whole bunch of stuff. And you can write documents, reports, and many, many, many things that is simply astounding. And it's the new technology of the future. Can you believe that it can even write code, right? Very high-end code that are used to design web pages, right? Web pages, like languages used both in the front end and the back end, which we talked about in the last segment, right? So the back end, as I said, uses high-end languages like Python, PHP, JavaScript, C Script, and the like. So how can you not be amazed at the multifunctional role that ChatGPT, is on the information technology scene today? It's simply mind-boggling. And for people who want to do business, they want to watch the clock and see when this can be used for free, because I can assure you it does need a subscription. And the subscriptions are pretty lenient. For a lifetime subscription of ChatGPT, I believe, I just looked at it yesterday, it was only $100 and some dollars, $110, I believe, for a lifetime use of the chatbot GPT. So there you have it. GPT is going to transform the world. And I've even experienced this where I was at a restaurant where the restaurant was running low on staff, and they got a robot to serve me at my table. I was astounded. The robot was programmed to go to my table and provide me with what I wanted. And I believe the cost of that robot that is used in restaurants was about $20,000. So there you have it. ChatGPT is taking over the world today, and artificial intelligence will be the norm in the future. So my friends, give it a shot. Go into any browser and just type ChatGPT AI, and you will have, I'm sure, a wonderful, wonderful experience. So, bye for now. This is Anthony signing off.